We're just about underway here from El Paso, Texas tonight. Oakland Roots in its green and gold. I like that blue uniform because or will it be Azocar? Azocar knotted down and straight in for the goal. Bounced off of Lucho for a waiting Darius Fomela, and 13 minutes in, Roots has broken through. Just
running towards your goal, trying to make it some sort of clearance, but then nobody's with the runner on the backside. So, I mean,
he couldn't have had a clearer shot. And it will be Calvillo to take this one. Calvillo, high floating service, knotted back in by Fox. Gomez, Lucho, towed away. Diaz was on it. But it stays in play. Roots will clear.
But that's what's the difference maker.
Here's Enriquez. Outswinger. Knotted down off the post. Getting something on that was Fuenmayor. Locomotive will push it. Look at this.
They have to. Somebody has to take that responsibility.
Here's Lucho, the through. Lucho chips it, it's in! Lucho! Welcome back to El Paso. All that man needs is a slice of the foot. And Locomotive is level in the 31st. Roll for Tacoma Defiance. Good skip by Gomez to evade the pressure. Gomez taken down. Penalty is the call. Leaning in to stop that was Fuenmayor. Gomez over. Fuenmayor comes up looking for the referee because he knew the whistle was blown.
That was Gomez took the ball, attacked.
Off the post and out. And it's a foul on Locomotive. You can tell Lucho wanted all of that. Velasquez has a go. Tipped wide. Lucho tipped again. Benny Diaz keeping this one notched at 1. Now taken by El Paso. And with the Locomotive possession, thus ends the match. Well, Locomotive will be disappointed, but 1-1. It's the first draw of the season for El Paso. The 4th for Oakland Roots.